In GridMaker, you can change the background color, or you can import your own background image as well. So under the background color setting, you can change that to whatever color you want with the color picker here. And then you can also choose your own background image and import that as well. Now, if your background image aspect ratio does not match the canvas, it's going to automatically crop either the top and the bottom or the left and the right. It's not going to stretch. If you clear the background image, you'll then have the background color back in there. It's not going to actually erase that color that you have stored. If you save as a PSD file, it'll save your background into a separate layer. It's also going to save a color fill layer with your background color in a separate layer as well. Additionally, you can choose transparent background, and then if you save as a PNG, it'll save with transparency. If you save as a PSD and you have transparent checked, it's still going to save layers for your color fill for your background and for your image, but those layers will be hidden in Photoshop, so you can show those or hide those as you want. Last thing, if you have a background image selected, if you change presets, it's not going to switch your background. This is not stored inside of a preset. That was done by design because a lot of users will use different backgrounds for different schools or for whatever different designs they're going to make. And this way, you don't have to have different presets assigned for each background. You can just save your presets for all the layout settings, and then you can use those same presets for different backgrounds.